Ah, dis bonjour. Bonjour. Oui, ça va? Ok.
Ici avec Doda,
Oui.
qui était malade au niveau de son cou.
Uh-huh.
Maintenant, il va être traité.
Okay. Oh, c'est bon, merci. Okay, so here we have our staff worker, Ibrahim, who is with this little boy, Dauda. And Dauda has been a frequent patient here in the pediatrics since last November. He originally, basically, his chin was attached to his chest. Lots of contractures, lots of skin and underlying tissue damage that he had. But through multiple surgeries and skin grafts, yes, this is very good. This is what it looks like now. Yes, he's much, much better and he can smile. He likes to play. He always greets us when we come in the morning. He's a very happy child. What's also been very, very great about Dauda being here so much is that he's had lots of opportunities to talk to people, to missionaries, to staff members. He's seen the Jesus film probably way more times than any of us know, but yes, many, many times. And also, Madame, there is, oh, you're making faces, that's great. There is another missionary here from Switzerland, Madeleine, who said that he will sometimes come up to her and make different signs, like maybe for the nails in Jesus' hands, things like that, that maybe he has picked up from seeing the Jesus film so many times. So we don't know exactly where he stands with Jesus, but it's been great because we've had so many opportunities to talk to him and try to help him to better understand about Jesus, and as well as just opportunities to help him very much physically too. So, okay, c'est fini.
Ok, merci beaucoup.
Ah, merci.